Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ahsan and today we're going to talk about why you should start investing today. But before we continue, I would really appreciate if you hit the like button, subscribe and share it with your friends if you like the content. So why should you start investing today? Well, it's an interesting question. To answer this question, we're going to talk about four cases. Case A is someone who has come here for their higher education and they have 861 euros coming per month from their blocked account. Case B is again a student, but they have started earning in a part-time job. Person C is a young professional, they've finished their higher education and they've just started working. Person D is someone who has been working for a couple of years, let's say 3 years. In terms of salary, case A has 860. For case B, on an average, let's say that person is earning 600 euros after taxes. Case C, most young professionals, they earn around about 2300 euros. And in case 3, it varies a lot, but for this example, let's say they earn 3000 euros per month. In terms of expenses, I'll give an example for myself. When I was a student, I used to spend around about 500 euros per month, which included my rent, my health insurance, my groceries, extracurricular activities, everything included. Um, a person in case B would also be in similar situation. They would be spending around about 500 euros and saving the rest. For young professionals, it's difficult because previously they used to spend very little and now they're getting a full-time job, having a full salary. So in the first few months they spend a lot. They tried to buy while they were in the student phase and they did not have a lot of money to spend on those things. In case D, people are having more expenses because their lifestyle changes and probably they have a partner, maybe a kid. Or so what happens if people in these four cases start saving right now? In case A, if they spend 500 euros, they have around about 360 euros savings per month, but they probably have to finance their second year, and if they don't have a job for their first year, it's probably difficult for them to save 360 euros per month. But in most cases, they will be able to save around about 60 euros per month. In case B, if the student is spending 500 euros per month, they will be able to save 100 euros per month. In case C, the young professional would be able to probably save around 500 euros. And in case D, the experienced professional would be probably saving 1000 euros or a third of their salary per month. When it comes to saving in stocks, many people say that they don't have time to do their homework, think about what's going on in the market, how they can invest effectively with the smallest amount of risk. The best solution would be to invest in a broad market ETF, for example, MSCI Core World or S&P 500. Core MSCI World has an average growth rate of 8.3% per annum, and the S&P 500 has about 12.42% increase per annum since the past 5 years. But considering the market highs and lows, the S&P 500 has an average annual growth rate of 5% since the past 20 years. For someone in case A, if they start saving their 60 euros per month in MSCI Core World with an annual growth of 8%, in 40 years when they retire, they would have saved 186,520 euros and their total contribution would be 28,800. So if they just keep their money in the bank, it would be 28,800. If they keep on investing regularly at 8%, they would have almost 160,000 euros more when they retire. Let's take an example in case B. Let's say if they start saving 100 euros every month till they retire, in 39 years they will have 310,000 euros when they retire. and their total contribution would be only 48,000 euros. If a person in case C starts saving today, their 500 euros in MSCI Core World with an annual growth rate of 8%, they will have 1.2 million euros in 36 years when they retire, and their total contribution will be 216,000. And in case D, if an experienced professional starts saving 1,000 euros every month till they retire, in 34 years they will have 1.9 million euros saved, and their total contribution would have been 408,000 euros. Compounding plays a large role in savings, so it's always recommended to start early, start saving as little as you can, and keep on increasing your saving amount every month. So at the end of the day, when you retire, you'll have a large nest egg. To do that, you have to start today. Open your brokerage account today. You can view my Trade Republic video if you want to know how you can open an account with Trade Republic. If you're ineligible or if you're not able to open an account with Trade Republic, or if you don't like their offering, you can open an account with Comdirect. You can also view my Comdirect video. But the main thing is you should start investing today, so that later on you don't regret the time that you have now, and make your money work for you instead of making it depreciate in the bank. Hope you like my video. I would really appreciate if you hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to write them in the comments. If you have any suggestions, any topics you want me to cover, I would definitely look into them. Until the next video, life goes on.